Welcome back to Royalty Soaps. My name is Katie Carson. I am the Duchess of Suds here at Royalty Soaps. This is the most excited I have been this month to make a soap. We are finally getting to do another gemstone soap. I have been waiting so long to make a treasure soap. Here we are, and I'm really excited to say that today's video is sponsored by Skillshare.
What is Skillshare, Katie? Tell us more about Skillshare.
Have you been living under a rock, precious? Because I've been talking about Skillshare for a really long time. I am super happy to get to partner with them once again. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey, whatever that may be. They have thousands of inspiring classes for creatives and curious people on topics including illustration, design, photography. Members get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes with hands-on projects and feedback from a community of millions. Also, most of these classes are under 60 minutes, so it's really great if you are on a tight schedule like me. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring today's video, and without further ado, let's make some sunken treasure soap. Okay guys, are you ready to make some sunken treasure soap with me? I am so excited. I don't know if I have ever made a full jewel-toned soap before. I really was racking my brain and I don't think I've done it. First thing is first, I'm going to pour in my lye water solution. The recipe I'm using today can be found in the description box below if you would like to make it, or if you would like to learn to make cold process soap. I have a whole teaching series on it for free, 100% free, here on YouTube. Now I'm just gonna blend this up real quick. And now I'm gonna split the batch into 5 equal portions. Okay, let's start adding our color first. The first thing I'm adding is some Flash Dance mica. This is from Mad Micas. Next thing I'm adding is ultramarine blue with black oxide. This is gonna make a beautiful navy color. Then some grape knee high, some hydrated chrome green, and some Aztec gold. And now for the fragrance oil. Today's blend is using kaolin clay, of course, but also a fragrance duplication of Moonlit Path from Bath & Body Works. It is so nice. It definitely reminds me of like my tween to early teen years. This was a huge scent for girls my age. It still holds up, folks. Amazing, amazing. And now we'll blend everything up. Okay, so am I the only one that is reminded of like a 90s windbreaker? Okay, time to pour. I'm going to start with blue. And surprisingly, the fragrance oil is actually acting really good for me. I thought that because it's kind of floral based, it was gonna be super thick. But that doesn't seem to be the case at all, so awesome. That probably means we'll be able to get some really gorgeous drops in it, and that I can take my time filling up the mold. So I went ahead and put the rest of the soap on. I put a little bit of drizzle for Sparkle Sunshine, and then I started to texture the top, but I'm not so sure I like the way that it's turning out. I think I might need to let this sit a little bit longer because instead of really separating the colors with a good push, it's kind of just smearing them together, probably because it's still too runny. So I think I'm just gonna let it sit. It's doing a little better on this side, actually. It really was that one line there that I didn't love. Let's see. That's a lot better. Okay, so just pushing straight down and pulling up is helping a lot. I think I just needed to not drag the spoon. I just needed to push and pull because I did want to do this while the soap is still kind of runny. I think that'll make the design look more magical, more treasure-like. I don't know, like a bunch of stones and gems on top of one another instead of a 90s throwback, which is kind of what it's still looking like right now. I think everything will be significantly helped when I add the stone though. So the stone we're adding today is a rainbow or a quartz. And this is how I picked the colors on the inside. Just gonna go ahead and place this right where it's supposed to go. And then I'm going to very carefully place each one of these on top of the soap. You guys, this is coming together so beautifully. I think that once I have added the glitter, it definitely will start giving off the treasure vibes. I was a little doubtful, and in the future, I may wait for all of this to set up a little bit more so that the colors are even more distinctive. But for now, I'm really pleased. No complaints. I think it's gonna be good. I have to tell you, whenever I was designing this soap on my iPad, Lily came in and was like, "Mama, I want that soap in my bathroom." A little mermaid girl. This is one of her absolute favorite months I have ever done. I really hope that all the people that really love fantasy really enjoy this. All right, last little bit there, awesome sauce, and let's go ahead and put on some glitter. So I looked and came across Roy G. Biv. This is from the Good Glitter. It is a rainbow glitter mix, and I think it's going to be just perfect. I'm gonna try to keep it down the middle and put it in between the stones here. I'm pretty sure it has like all the colors in it, but it has a lot of the same jewel colors that are in this particular soap, so it really is a perfect fit. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say that the glitter really pulled this thing together. I am so thrilled. Those stones are incredible. I think when I line up all of the soaps from this collection, this is gonna be a really, really good addition. I think it's gonna pair well with some of the other ones. So let me bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see. Like that is just downright dazzling. I cannot wait to cut these up. Take a look at the inside. Oh, all right, so we're gonna come back in 18 to 24 hours. We'll split the slab into loaves and cut the loaves into bars after this quick commercial break. Okay, but this cut though, this cut, oh, it's so nice. I specifically love the teal. I don't know why that's like such a standout to me, but it's delightful. Okay, so I've lined it all up with Evangeline. I'm gonna press down gently, very gently. Looks like everything was pretty well placed. Gonna take one out of the middle, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So as you can see, a little bit of color modeling. It was a little bit too thin. I did not know that it was going to get really runny, though I really should have, because tea fragrances, anything with like a green tea, or I don't know, mainly it's a green tea that people like to make fragrances for. I don't know why they always slow down your batter speed. So I should have known, but I didn't. So in the future, it will definitely be a little bit thicker. We won't get any of that color modeling. But as far as the palette goes, I'm definitely getting treasure vibes. I love the tops. Look at that glitter. Oh, it's so shiny and sparkly. The fragrance for this one is also on the gentler side, I would say, after it has, come on now, stop being so sticky. Yeah, definitely on the gentler side, which a lot of you guys have asked me to kind of let you know how strong the fragrances are. This one is gonna be on gentler side to middle range, but definitely not super strong. Question of the day: if you found sunken treasure, which part would you be more excited about? All of the gemstones inside or all of the gold inside? Me personally, I'm taking the gemstones and the pearl necklaces. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please go check out the link to Skillshare down below. Thanks so much again to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. If you would like to get your hands on a sunken treasure bar, it will be available with the rest of the Shipwrecked collection the first Saturday in August at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, royaltysoaps.com. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. Be sure you go do something fun for yourself today, whether that is purchasing a fun rainbow glitter so that you can sprinkle sprinkle it on top of everything and make it magical. Or perhaps getting a food grade glitter and putting it in a summer beverage. There is nothing more fun than drinking lemonade with sparkles in it. You can get those prism powders at Fancy Sprinkles, by the way. I'm not an affiliate with them, but I would love to be because they are literally just chef's kiss. Everything they make is golden. I don't really care what you do, just be sure you do something fun for yourself today, and I will see you guys in the next Shipwrecked video very, very soon. So until then, bye for now. Meow.